Okay, I wanted to do a quick video about the AI build out and say that I'm not really sure what to make of the whole political um, immediate future of it. I know that a lot of money is being shifted into it as far as the stock market. Memory stocks like Micron and SanDisk are just going through the roof. Micron is supposedly sold out for years in advance as far as like the memory need for AI, because AI is a huge consumer of memory. And Bloom Energy and the different like GE Vernova, the different of stocks that are for companies that provide energy to the data centers that are going to be built or are being built are going through the roof. So economically, a lot of money is flowing into the AI in scene, but politically, it seems like there's a huge groundswell of opposition. I mean, people are not happy with data centers, and why, I don't know. I mean, it's like they're against the future, and AI is the future. It's something that's making society better in that we're becoming more functional, we're becoming more adaptable, we're becoming smarter. You know, you can Google things, you can Google instructions on how to repair your carburetor, you can Google instruction, and it gives you really good advice. I mean, you can either do it through ChatGPT, or if you want to cross reference, cross check it, you can go to Gemini, and then there's DeepSeek, and you can kind of get a consensus from all the different AI modems out there, and it's just amazing. It's so much better than going searching on Google used to be before AI became part of it. And that was like only in 2023. Between 2019 and 2023, I read that the capability of artificial intelligence went from like a smart preschooler to a really advanced high schooler, and now it's like somebody who's maybe a PhD. I don't, 2026 is just amazing the way things have shifted. And they're saying before 2030 we might have general artificial intelligence, where artificial intelligence is training itself and improving on itself. And if that happens, we won't even need to do the updates. It'll update its own servers and whatnot. So why people are against it, why there's such a political controversy with artificial intelligence, I'm not quite sure. Although it might be because, well, one reason is people are afraid of losing their jobs. Which, I mean, if you just graduated from, you know, paralegal school, and you're worried about not having a job because AI is able to read legal documents better than you in the blink of an eye, then really you're against this technology that might in fact save the world because your entry level law position is not available anymore. I mean, I'm sorry, but look for something else. Um, in the medical profession, I'm sure there's people that are being phased out of jobs because AI is taking it. Well, learn to use AI and maybe you'll get a better job. The other thing that they're saying is that the data centers are using a lot of water and polluting and becoming um, economically or environmentally, I mean, environmentally destructive. And if that is a problem, if that is in fact true, then that is a problem, and something needs to be done about it. We need to figure out a way to not damage the water supply. I mean, we don't want something like what happened in Flint, Michigan, where the poor people were drinking, polluted water. With them, it was like lead in the water. I mean, my gosh, that would be, we can't have that. If that is true, that needs to be addressed, and we need to figure out a way to not harm the water supply. But as far as like everything else, I'm all for AI. I mean, AI is the future, and I hope it just keeps getting better and better. And the stock that I buy in Micron just keeps going up and up, which I'm sure it is for the next foreseeable future, like the next 3 years or something. They're expecting it to just keep going up and up like Nvidia was. Nvidia was just doubling in price every few months, and in the last 8 months, I think Micron has doubled in price 3 times. So, anyways, I went on too long again, and I'm starting to repeat myself. So, thanks for sticking around for this 5 minutes and 20 seconds.